Good evening, children. Today let us see the last part of the chapter hydrogen. That is chemistry of heavy water. Hydrogen has three isotopes. One is protium, second one heavy hydrogen or deuterium, and third isotope is tritium. Of course, that is radioactive element. Now, our focus is over oxide or the second isotope of hydrogen, that is deuterium, right? And heavy water means di-deuterium oxide. Its composition is D2O. And this session, in this part of the chapter, what are included? Let us see. One is preparation of heavy water. Next, chemical properties exhibited by heavy water, and then application or use of heavy water. With that, this topic gets closer. Of course, this chapter will also be completed. So here in chemistry of heavy water, we are going to see preparation, properties, and use of the important application of heavy water. First, let us see preparation. Heavy water is prepared extensively by electrolysis phenomenon. So it can be written, it is prepared by electrolysis process. That much only. So how is it prepared by electrolysis? That is not there. So we'll move to the second part of chemistry of heavy water, that is properties. Properties of heavy water. In this, let us see the important properties. There are three important properties. That is, number one, reaction with calcium carbide, CaC2. Reaction with calcium carbide. When heavy water or di-deuterium oxide. This is heavy water. Because mass of deuterium is double to that of hydrogen. That is why it is said to be heavy hydrogen or deuterium. So when it is there in combination with oxygen chemically, it is said to be heavy water. So when this is treated with calcium carbide, CaC2 is called calcium carbide, then it gives rise to two important compounds. They are C2D2 plus CaOD twice. This is similar to CaOH twice, right? So here C2D2 is known as heavy acetylene. Heavy acetylene. This is similar to C2H2, right? So this is heavy acetylene. Next, CaOD2 is known as deuterated calcium hydroxide. That's all. Altogether here we have 4 deuterium atoms, RHS, and towards left hand side we have only 2, so we multiply with 2. So equation automatically gets balanced. That's about this important property, right? Next, reaction with SO3. SO3 stands for sulfur trioxide. SO2 is sulfur dioxide. Okay. When heavy water is treated with sulfur trioxide, we will get single adduct or single product. So D2O plus SO3. This gives rise to single adduct. Adduct means product. Single product will get. That means it is addition reaction or chemical combination reaction. So this gives rise to D2SO4. That is dideuterium sulfate. This is similar to that of sulfuric acid, and this is sulfur trioxide, and H2O is known to us, that is heavy water or dideuterium oxide. Now the last chemical property of heavy water is reaction with aluminium carbide. Name of this substance is aluminium carbide, Al4C3. Now let us see what products we are going to get. So main reactant is heavy water, D2O, and this is treated with aluminium carbide, Al4C3. Right? We will get the products like CD4, first product, and the second product is AlOD thrice. Right. Here we have 4 aluminum atoms. So here only 1. We will multiply with 4. Carbon atoms here 3. Right hand side only 1. So multiplied by 3. Now deuterium atoms here 12 and here 12. 24 deuterium atoms we have towards right hand side. And here only 2. So we will multiply with 12. Now oxygen atoms 12. And here oxygen atoms 12. So automatically equation gets balanced. So look at aluminium carbide, because which has maximum number of aluminium and carbon atoms. If we balance these towards right hand side, automatically entire equation gets balanced. So products are aluminium carbide, and this is heavy methane, and this is deuterated aluminium hydroxide. That's all. That's about chemical properties. And the last part of chemistry of heavy water is application or use or importance of heavy water. Heavy water is used as a moderator in nuclear reactions or nuclear reactors. Used as a moderator in nuclear reactors or nuclear reactions. So that's about chemistry of heavy water. So chemistry of heavy water has 3 parts. Number 1, preparation. Number 2, properties. And the last one is application or use or importance of heavy water. So that's about importance of heavy water. So with this, the chapter hydrogen is completed. Thank you, children.